Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's GMT video update for Tuesday 16th of August. Now looking at GMT actually going against Bitcoin at the moment, and it's doing pretty solid. Okay, doing pretty solid. Now I did have this previous fake out, and I don't like how crypto does make fake outs. But we had this touch here, second touch there, third one right there, third one right here, and I was actually trading this coin back in the days. I did have a stop loss down at 8.4 something level down here, and I entered somewhere at the 99, but it ended up coming down here, and I thought this lost the trend line, and it is closing below the trend line. And I don't know what the freaking hell this really was. It just all this here was manipulation, and we couldn't get the entries. And I was looking at to cash out GMT near this price level, and I'm going to show you where GMT is supposed to actually go. So from there to there, you're looking at that ascending triangle breakout, and this is your next technical target up here to $1.3. That's pretty much what I'm looking for GMT, and that's going to be a price continuation up till for an 18% move to the upside as well. And that's pretty much it for this update on GMT. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.